Our Osprey couple's journey continues, a testament to their enduring love and unwavering partnership. With the precision of a true master, it dives into the water, and as it resurfaces, triumphant, the waters yield a gift, a fish, a symbol of perseverance, a symbol of life. With the fish clutched securely, it takes to the skies once more, embarking on a majestic journey around the lake. It soars in the sky, returning the woods where its partner awaits. The Osprey's flight continues, a test of endurance and patience, as it keeps flying, waiting for the fish to tire in this high-stakes aerial pursuit. High above the world, the Osprey maintains its relentless flight, clutching the fish firmly in its talons, a masterful display of patience and determination. With every beat of its powerful wings, it keeps pace, waiting, watching as the fish below fights desperately to break free. The fish's strength wanes, its once mighty struggles reduced to feeble attempts at escape, as fatigue sets in. The Osprey's patience is unwavering, its keen instincts telling it that the decisive moment draws near. The other Osprey remains a steadfast companion, a silent witness to this high-stakes aerial drama, lending its unwavering solidarity. In a pivotal moment, the Osprey with the fish in its talons attempts to land on a tree branch, close to its partner. But something unexpected happens. With its partner watching, it descends gracefully, preparing to share the hard-earned prize. But then, an unforeseen hesitation takes hold. For reasons known only to the Osprey, it does not land. Instead, it takes to the sky once more, the fish still clutched in its talons. It's as if the Osprey senses something amiss, a hint that the fish may still have some fight left in it, making it a challenging quarry to handle. The Osprey flies in mid-air, maintaining its vigilance, watching the fish closely, perhaps waiting for the right moment to make its final move. After a suspenseful pause, the Osprey decides to land. The Osprey lands, its prize still in its talons. As another day dawns, the mother Osprey returns to the nest, her instincts keenly attuned to the world around her. She arrives, a silent sentinel, watching the skies for any sign of her mate's return, carrying a precious offering. Just as she senses his presence, the male Osprey appears, a majestic silhouette against the open sky, a shimmering fish in his grasp. With a gentle landing, the male Osprey presents the fish to his mate, a gesture of love and sustenance in one. The fish is headless, this may be for safety, the fish may break free, this also can be for efficiency, less weight to transport. Together, they share the moment, the nest now a cradle of unity, their bond unbreakable, their story forever entwined. In an explosion of water and spray, the osprey's sharp talons strike true, seizing its aquatic target in a testament to nature's artistry. This is just a few yards from their nest in the middle of lake. Like a phantom, it snatches a fish from the water's embrace, its intent veiled in secrecy. Breaking from tradition, it carries its bounty to the secluded woods, a realm of shadows and secrets. Its partner stands sentinel, a silent observer, respecting the enigmatic choice and the mysteries it conceals. It looks the osprey couple has yet had an egg laid. They eat on trees along lake side instead of their nest. The osprey hovers over the lake and sees a target. It plunges from the mid-air, a lightning bolt of determination, into the depths below, chasing its elusive prey. But this time, as it emerges from the water, there is nothing in its talons, no triumphant catch, only the ripples of the lake as a silent witness. Undeterred, it ascends once more, a testament to its indomitable spirit, ready to seek another opportunity in the endless hunt. Hovering in mid-air, the osprey seizes a moment of contemplation, its keen eyes scanning the glistening waters below for a new opportunity. The osprey descends like a bolt of lightning, talons outstretched, a predator in perfect harmony with its environment. This time, as it resurfaces, there is no uncertainty. There's a gleaming fish, a testament to its unwavering skill and determination. It rises from the water's surface, triumphant, the fish firmly held in its talons, a symbol of its persistence and mastery. With their triumphant catch held high, the osprey couple's story in this video reaches its inspiring conclusion. Their unity and perseverance stand as a testament to the enduring spirit of nature, a reminder of the beauty that unfolds in the wild. As the sun sets on this chapter, we invite you to join us in the next adventure of the osprey couple. In the heart of nature's grand theater, the Osprey couple's saga continues, an endless journey of discovery, adventure, and love. Don't miss a moment of their extraordinary story.